The Verefa 5000Pa robot vacuum combo impressively offers up to 10 weeks of continuous cleaning with its self-emptying station and large dust bag capacity, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Equipped with powerful suction reaching up to 5,000 pascals, this robot vacuum efficiently handles dust, pet hair, and debris, even boosting its suction on carpets for a thorough clean. This versatile device combines vacuuming and mopping functionalities, allowing it to efficiently clean floors with its integrated water tank, saving time by completing both tasks simultaneously. With a remarkable maximum runtime of 260 minutes, the robot ensures extensive cleaning sessions and automatically recharges when needed, resuming cleaning right where it left off. Advanced LiDAR navigation technology enables the vacuum to create precise maps and determine optimal cleaning routes, minimizing missed spots and redundancies for efficient cleaning. The Verefa Life app and voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home provide convenient ways to customize cleaning schedules and control the vacuum with ease.